On this video here, I'm going to show you how to get into Solana NFTs, okay? But before getting and showing you some of these websites, first I need to tell you that the risk is higher than the regular NFTs, okay, of Ethereum. Of course, this is still new and still in beta, and there isn't that much hype around it as Ethereum, and a lot of people that flip and buy and flip the NFTs are mainly on Ethereum, okay? They see an art, they buy it, they resell it, and it goes like that, a cycle. And when they see hype around it, they buy again, sell it, and it goes like that. And even though there is the possibility that you'll never sell an NFT on OpenSea, but on Solana that might be double, okay? Because it's still new, people aren't there yet, and the marketplaces aren't optimized yet to give a lot of data and incentivize people to buy and sell on these markets. So it's still new, and as you can see, I'm on solanaart.io and it's still loading, okay? It's takes forever, okay? And this here is a marketplace, but it doesn't have that much of collections. They only have like the top of the top, like I think 9 projects or something like that. About their markets isn't that bad, to be honest. They have a lot of things that are resembling OpenSea, but it just still has to grow a lot and get more projects in here, okay? And let's go into collections, and here are, well, it's more than 9 projects but again, it's limited. It's so limited for you if you want to start flipping, okay? And most of these are expensive, okay? So it really depends on you. If you want to buy something and just be holding something until something happens and it starts to pick up and you get to sell it, and who knows, again, you might just hodl and at the end there isn't anyone to buy from you, so who knows? And if you want to get into this stuff, and their art is pretty clean, to be honest. Here of course there are metrics that will help you. It's same as I showed you on the video I made about OpenSea. There are that will help you, like you get to see how much is traded and the price history and a lot of other things to let you know if you want to get into this stuff or not, depending on the project. If you see that a lot of people are buying or a lot of people are selling and the floor price is getting higher and it's raising, and this is not bad, to be honest. But the next one is digital eyes market. They have a lot of projects in here, but they lack a lot of options and features on this marketplace. Like at least this one has these, okay? But in this here, you get into any project in here. Let's say these dogs here. So as you can see, there isn't any option that will help you to identify if this project is going or if it's selling a lot, or there is the floor price going higher or lower. So it's really limiting, okay? So depends on you, okay? If you see there is a hype around some type of art, you might get into it, but you just need to have the mentality that you might not sell it, okay? And as you can see, just from the looks of these marketplaces, you can tell that a lot of people aren't getting into here to see new projects and stuff. They already know all these projects in here, and they already know some of these projects, and if they bought, they will just hodl, okay? And where to see new projects and stuff, of course Twitter is where to get stuff like this. Just type in Solana NFT. It's not just you're going to find new projects, but also finding projects with hype around it, okay? Just by the tweets that you're seeing and seeing if there are people engaging on that tweet. For example, if you see a project, get to their Twitter and see if they have a community around that, and get into Discord and see if there is hype around it and people and a good community, enough community to support that project. Of course it will take off, okay? Because they will all buy the NFTs that's been minted, okay? And that will drive scarcity and making that NFT valuable, okay? So for example, here you see this one here, Galaxy Sol, it's launching soon, and here you can find their Discord, and this is their website. If they started minting. You're just going to there and mint with your Phantom wallet. If you don't have it, watch my video about how to get the Phantom wallet installed. And here you get also to join their giveaways, either by winning Solana or their NFTs. Okay, so it's super simple. This is how you get started with Solana NFTs. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.